Welcome to Maui Kai 904 with its sweeping ocean views. This is a popular vacation rental condo, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, at 647 square feet. The tile is the same on the lanai as it is in the rest of the condo. We've got granite countertops and updated cabinets. There's a dining area. The bedroom does have mountain views and a large reach-in closet. There is a double door entry to prevent the breezes from entering the unit. There's also an owner's locking cabinet above the fridge and down there by the couch. And also a sizable storage unit on the ground floor. There's a lobby with check-in and on-site property management if desired. There's 10 stories on this building, so we've got elevators. This is the clubhouse. Got a ping pong table and an amazing kitchen here for everyone to use. The pool, the jacuzzi, and the ocean front. The beach access is just a few steps down. Beautiful white sandy beaches.